Airports can be stressful, but they don't have to be. With the right strategy, you can save time, money, and avoid the usual chaos. The airport is a system, and you can hack it. I've turned my own travel from stressful to smooth with a few key tricks. Today, I'll share the essential airport hacks every savvy traveler needs. From booking smarter to breezing through security, we'll cover it all. Let's dive in. The biggest variable in travel: ticket price. It's the one factor that can make or break your budget, turning a dream vacation into an unaffordable fantasy. Understanding how prices fluctuate is key to unlocking cheaper travel. Book on Tuesday afternoons. This isn't just an old wives' tale. Airlines often release new fares early in the week, and by Tuesday afternoon, the competition has usually kicked in. That's when airlines drop fares and compete. They're all vying for your business, and this competition translates directly into savings for you. This means you get the best deals. By being strategic about when you book, you can take advantage of these price wars and secure a significantly cheaper flight. Use Google Flights to scan prices and trends. It's an invaluable tool for understanding how prices change over time and identifying the cheapest days to fly. Then set up Hopper to track your specific route. This allows you to monitor price fluctuations without constantly checking manually. Hopper's algorithm tells you exactly when to buy or wait. It analyzes historical data and current trends to give you the best possible advice. This combo means no more guessing. You're armed with data and insights, taking the uncertainty out of flight booking or buyer's remorse. You can book with confidence, knowing you've secured the best possible price at that moment. You're not just reacting. You're not simply accepting the first price you see. You're playing the market, understanding the dynamics of supply and demand. Sometimes waiting a week saves you hundreds. Patience can truly pay off when it comes to booking flights, especially on international flights where prices tend to fluctuate even more dramatically. Let tech do the work. Embrace the power of algorithms and data analysis, and always book at the optimal moment when the data suggests prices are at their lowest. It's a smarter, data-driven way to start your trip, ensuring you get the most value for your money. Don't leave money on the table. Every dollar saved on flights is a dollar you can spend on experiences at your destination. Let the apps work for you, constantly monitoring prices and alerting you to the best deals so you don't have to. Getting ready for a trip? Now let's load your phone with some essential tools. We're diving into the world of travel apps, equipping you with the best travel apps to streamline your journey. First up, TripIt organizes all your bookings, from flights to hotels, all in one place. It transforms scattered confirmations into one clean itinerary. No more endless searching through emails for booking details. Next, Flyo gives you detailed airport maps, helping you navigate unfamiliar terminals with ease. Plus, it provides real-time security wait times, so you can plan your arrival and avoid unnecessary stress. And perhaps most importantly, Flyo shares those elusive Wi-Fi passwords, keeping you connected on the go. For U.S. arrivals after a long flight, who wants to wait in line? Mobile passport control is your secret weapon. This app lets you skip the long customs line for free, getting you through immigration faster. Flighty meticulously tracks your flight in real time, providing up-to-the-minute information. It goes beyond basic tracking, predicting potential delays with impressive accuracy. Flighty will even alert you to gate changes, often before the airline does, giving you a crucial head start. With these tools at your fingertips, these apps turn potential chaos into a sense of control and calm. So take a moment and download them before you fly. With the right digital toolkit, you're not just prepared, you're always a step ahead, ready to handle whatever travel throws your way. Embrace the power of technology to travel smarter, not harder. Your phone, loaded with these apps, is now your personal travel concierge, ready to assist you every step of the way. Security lines are the biggest time sink. TSA PreCheck and Global Entry are game changers. Fast lanes, less hassle. Many credit cards reimburse the application fee, so check your perks. Combine Global Entry with Mobile Passport for a seamless arrival. Biometric tech like Clear is making things even faster. Invest in these programs. They're the future of stress-free travel. Get ahead, skip the lines, and breeze through security. Navigating ground transportation after a flight can often feel like stepping into a whirlwind of chaos. The arrivals area is usually packed, and finding the best way to your destination can be overwhelming. But don't worry, here's how to beat it and make your airport exit smooth and stress-free. A smart move is to request your rideshare from the departures level. Avoid the arrivals area. The departures level usually has less crowd, which means a faster pickup, and it can sometimes even be cheaper due to less demand in that specific area. Always compare Uber, Lyft, And don't forget to check local taxi apps like Curb to ensure you're getting the best possible price for your ride. In some cities, taxis have capped fares to certain destinations. This can be a lifesaver, especially during surge pricing when rideshare costs can skyrocket. And don't forget to consider public transit. Often, express trains offer a much faster and cheaper alternative to cars, getting you to the city center quickly and efficiently. Use apps like Citymapper or Google Maps to compare all your transportation options in real time, giving you a clear picture of the fastest and most affordable routes. So, make your exit smart, fast, and cost-effective. Don't just blindly follow the crowd. Outsmart it, and enjoy a smoother journey from the airport to your final destination. Packing right makes everything easier. Roll your clothes to save space and avoid wrinkles. Use packing cubes for organization and quick security checks. Always pack a change of clothes and all electronics in your carry-on. Never check essentials. Upgrade to a JAN universal charger. One compact brick powers all your devices. Efficient packing means less stress and no surprises. Stay organized, travel light, and be ready for anything. Your bag should work for you, not against you. Lounges aren't just for first class anymore. Use Lounge Buddy to find and buy day passes. Sometimes it's cheaper than eating in the terminal. Many credit cards offer free priority pass lounge access. Check your benefits. Even a single lounge visit can turn a layover into a relaxing break. Watch for lounge promos and discounts. Lounges offer food, Wi-Fi, and comfort worth every penny if you use them right. Don't settle for crowded gates. Upgrade your weight. Make the most of your airport time. Stack these strategies and you'll transform your airport experience. Save time, money, and stress at every step. Arrive refreshed, not frazzled. Be the traveler everyone else envies. For more real travel tips, follow Blue Rose Travel. We're here to help you travel smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. See you on your next adventure.